Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. In this video, I will show you how to edit a template in Canva step by step. First, open Canva, go to Template. Search for templates for YouTube thumbnails. Choose Template and click it. Click on Customize this template. Now start editing. Click on Image and delete. Again click on this image and delete. Select image and right-click. Select Detach image to separate from frame. Go to Element. Find frames from Elements. Choose Circle frame. Compress frame with one side. Click on Image Drag to put in frame. Double-click it. Now drag the image upward. Go to Element. Choose Image from recently used element. Click on Frame. Choose Image. Then drag and drop it into the frame. Compress one side, double-click it. Now drag the image upward. Drag to big. Again adjust it. If you are a beginner, start with free templates first. It makes designing much easier. Click on Text and go to Effect. Change color. Click Text and go to Font Style. Now change font style. Adjust bell. Click Font and delete it. Select Background and go to Color menu. Choose Color. Now adjust element. Go to Share on top. Download PNG file. Please like and comment if you try it.